Hello, good evening. This is Huzaifa from my YouTube channel Positive Day. Today I'm going to talk about Shreem Brzee. And before I just dive in, let me just tell you the thing that has just happened recently. So actually, in one of the classes, one of the students did the thing like he just wrote Shreem Brzee, and he thought that the writing will help him to manifest or to have a kind of feeling, right? He will be getting. Right, so I'm just sharing what he just tried to prove, right? So as you can already see on the screen, this is the Shreem Brzee he wrote, right? And he wrote it for 108 times. You can already see it is already visible. Now the thing is, the written effect doesn't prove to be worth, right? All this thing written is not proved to manifest, and even that kind of feeling doesn't get involved, right? So we tried writing Shreem Brzee, right? So and it doesn't work. So what I'm trying to basically tell you that all those words or all those chants which you're doing, only words have power, and when you speak the words, it comes into existence. It's not writing will help you to manifest. Make this thing clear, right? I'm saying this only about the words, right? It might be possible that there are I am statements or I am affirmations which you write on daily basis and it may work. But talking about the vibrations of Shreem Brzee, right? I think that it doesn't work, right? Because this person is tried, right? Separately, and you can already see he has written each and everything. So the word spoken has so much power, right? It generates the feeling, but while writing, it will not help to generate that kind of feeling, right? That vibrations. But on the contrary, if you write and speak, means writing Shreem Brzee and speaking aloud simultaneously, it can make an effect. Right? So this is the observation from my viewpoint of view. And it is so much important that you sit with the feeling when it comes to Shreem Brzee. A lot of people are not even aligned, right, with what they are thinking, how they are feeling, right? And then they are just trying to manifest the thing. It doesn't work in that way. I already discussed in many of the videos how powerful this Shrimpasi is whenever it is used in a proper way, in a proper method, like with peace, serenity, alignment, meditation. Then only you will be able to manifest because you are calling the goddesses. And when you call up the goddesses, when do you think the goddess will help you? When you will be in that state, when you will be in that alpha state, or when you will be aligned, when you will be aware about, when you will be conscious, and you will be free from all the evil thoughts, free from any damn thing that is bothering you. That and you are just so much focused and aligned. And so now when you try to manifest, that energy comes, right? You already feel the vibrations within you, right? Even you can do the experiment right itself now, and you will see the vibrations, how this can impact you in such a bigger scale you don't even know. And one more important thing, I definitely just let you know that make this Akash Mudra when you do this thing. Right? Because we are attracting from Akash everything, the space element we are calling upon, right? And that is unlimited. It is abundant. Universe is abundant, right? There is a Akash element that plays an important role. But when you don't do this Akash Mudra, it will not be any effect to take. Right? So there are a lot of things you need to take care when you are able to do this meditation with Shreem Brzee. Right? But I basically found that when you just speak the word, it has so much power as compared to the written stuff. Because the person is tried, right? And he doesn't feel any kind of vibration. And you cannot, if you are not even thinking about Shreem Brzee, you can even go for only Shreem also. I already made a meditation video regarding Shreem. Means you are just chanting Shreem only. Brazee is there, but Brazee is for removing the bad karma, money karma, right? If you are stuck with the money, then Brazee will definitely help. So when you accumulate both, that is Shri in Brazil, it is so much powerful. And you yourself has the capability, and you yourself can do the experiment right now by just speaking these words into existence. right? With full dedication, with full meditation, full peace, full serenity, full focus, full consciousness, then you will feel the these words have powers, right? So understand this. Like a lot of people just think about. I mean, they just think that it will be done, right? And they just leave the process, but it is not like you need to be consistently, right? There are see when you are small, right? When you are a baby, so how much does it take to become an adult? It takes a long time. So same goes with this vibration, Shreem. If you are just practicing for 1 or 2 days and you are expecting the result, it will not, because you are having your previous beliefs installed, right? And so when you practice this for 21 days, 40 days, right, constantly, then those beliefs, limiting beliefs, or those things will be able to change. And now you will be prepared to manifest the thing, right? So it doesn't happen overnight. Like you are doing one time stream Brazee, and now you are expecting the result. No, it is not like that. You need to observe the changes also after practicing this meditation or doing this chanting. Like you must be so much aware and conscious what is happening into your life after you practice this meditation or this chanting. And so now you will be able to note down that okay, I have done this and this, and now I see this kind of changes. Now I always feel abundant. Now I don't ever feel the lacking mindset, like giving money, providing something or something, right? And you yourself will see the changes, right? It's only the observation, right? In this digital era, in this AI technology, we have just forgotten three important aspects of human life: thinking, observing, and listening. This is so much important, right? And it is not only about talking. I am talking about manifestation in many different ways. I'm talking about this kind of stuff. You must develop this skill: thinking, observing, and listening. Let me ask you this: in your whole day, how many times you observe the things? How many times you think? Right? Think not in the sense thinking of something, but thinking properly. Like holding the thought for 17 seconds will help you to manifest. But you must know the thinking process, how to think right about that particular thing for 17 seconds. Get to attach to it. And so now no one can stop you able to manifest, because you have entered into that zone of manifestation. So it is so much crucial to understand all these things. Right? It is not easy, it requires practice. Okay. It doesn't happen overnight. But you must enjoy the process and don't feel bored. Even if you try hard and now also you are not even able to manifest, then don't give up, right? Giving up is not solution, but practicing each and every day and seeing and observing yourself, which will definitely help you to be better than yesterday. So this is my observations regarding Shreem Brzee, right? So you can also do this stuff, and you can also let me know in the comments, like if you write this stuff, right, what impact it creates, and then when you just speak the words into existence, how you feel about Shreem Brzee. Shreem Brzee and Arakara are the best thing that one can happen, right, to any human. So you must not be away from all this. You must just focus on what you can manifest into your life with these words, becoming pure. So I hope this video has like to manifest and you to know the certain things, right? So if you need this channel, consider subscribing for regular video for the daily. And remember, you are the co-creator of your own life. You can become whatever you want. We are the most having human experience. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye.